Good morning. Could you please state your full name and candidate number?
Good morning. My name is Sarah Johnson, and my candidate number is A2345678.
Thank you, Sarah. Now, in this part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's start with your hometown. Can you describe your hometown to me?
Yes, certainly. I come from a small town called Maplewood. It's located in the United States, and it's known for its picturesque landscapes and tight-knit community. The town is surrounded by lush green forests and has several beautiful parks where people often gather for picnics or outdoor activities. Maplewood also has a charming downtown area with quaint shops and restaurants, making it a pleasant place to live.
That sounds interesting. What do you like most about your hometown?
One thing I really like about Maplewood is the friendly atmosphere. People here are genuinely kind and always ready to lend a helping hand. It creates a warm and welcoming environment that makes me feel connected to the community. Additionally, the natural beauty of the town is something that I appreciate. There are many hiking trails and a nearby river where I can go for walks and enjoy the peacefulness of nature.
Thank you, Sarah. Now, let's talk about your daily routine. Can you describe a typical day in your life?
Sure. A typical day in my life starts with waking up early in the morning. I usually have a quick breakfast and then head to school. I spend most of my day there, attending classes and participating in extracurricular activities. During lunch break, I enjoy chatting with my friends and sharing our daily experiences. After school, I often engage in hobbies like playing the piano or painting. In the evenings, I have dinner with my family, and we use that time to catch up and bond. Before going to bed, I like to read a book or watch a movie to unwind.
Thank you for sharing. Let's move on to the topic of hobbies. What are your hobbies and why do you enjoy them?
One of my hobbies is playing basketball. I find it exhilarating and love the feeling of teamwork and competition on the court. It also helps me stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, I enjoy writing poetry. It allows me to express my emotions and creativity in a unique way. Lastly, I like hiking and exploring nature trails. It gives me a chance to disconnect from the digital world and appreciate the beauty of the outdoors.
That sounds like a diverse range of hobbies. Now, let's discuss a topic related to travel. Have you ever traveled to another country? If so, where did you go, and what was your experience like?
Yes, I had the opportunity to travel to France last summer. It was an incredible experience. I visited Paris, the capital city, and explored its iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum. The French culture and cuisine were truly enchanting. I enjoyed trying different pastries and experiencing the vibrant café culture. Moreover, I visited the charming town of Versailles and marveled at the grandeur of the Palace of Versailles. It was a trip filled with historical discoveries and unforgettable memories.
That sounds like a wonderful journey. Finally, I'm going to give you a topic, and I would like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll have 1 minute to prepare. Here is your topic. Describe a memorable celebration or event in your life.
One of the most memorable celebrations in my life was my younger brother's 10th birthday party. It was a superhero-themed party, and we invited all his friends from school. The house was decorated with colorful balloons and superhero banners. We had a costume contest where the kids dressed up as their favorite superheroes, and it was amazing to see their creativity. We played fun games like pin the mask on the hero and had a cake shaped like a superhero emblem. The highlight of the party was when a professional magician came to entertain the children with mind-blowing tricks. It was a day filled with laughter, joy, and unforgettable moments. Seeing the happiness on my brother's face made it a celebration to remember.
Thank you for your response, Sarah. That brings us to the end of the speaking test. I appreciate your participation today.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to take part in the test.